Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Infilin. Today we are going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Information Communication Technology Paper to Document Production for May-June 2024, Variant 22. These are our required source file. I have source file here. Now come on task 1 evidence document. Open the file evidence.rtf. Now we open a source file in evidence.rtf. Here is in evidence.rtf file. Click enter. Make sure that your name, center number and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Now we enter in the header of this document name, center number and candidate number. Click on insert, go header, select blank 3 columns. Now enter a name in right aligned of this document name, center number and candidate number. Name, center number, candidate number. Then close the header. Save this document in your work area as evidence followed by your candidate number, for example evidence 9999. Now we save this document in our work area with the name evidence and followed by our candidate number. Click on file, go to save as, click on browser. Now enter a name, evidence 9999. Now we select a suitable software. We select a Word document. Click on save. Now come on task 2 document. You are going to edit a document for Tower Agriculture College. The college use a corporation house style for all its document. Using suitable software, open the info.rtf file. Now we open a info.rtf file. Here is info.rtf file. Click enter. The page setup is set to A4 portrait orientation with 2 cm margin. Do not make any change to these settings. 4 paragraph style have already been created and applied. Do not make any change. Save this document in your work area with the name pamphlet. Now we save the info.rtf file with the name pamphlet. Now open a info.rtf file. Click on file, go to save as, click on browser and enter a name here pamphlet. After that select a suitable software. We select a Word document and click on save. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file have been saved. Now we take a screenshot for evidence. Here is a file pamphlet. Take a screenshot for evidence. Here is evidence file. This is our step 1 evidence. Now come on question 2. Place right aligned in the header of the pamphlet document the text information updated by followed by space then your name, center number and candidate number. Now we enter in the header of the this pamphlet document text information updated by then space name, center number and candidate number in right aligned of this document. Click on insert, Go to header, select blank 3 columns, remove the left aligned, remove middle aligned, and enter in right aligned of this document. For information updated by followed by space, then name, center number, then candidate number. After this, close the header. Place right aligned in the footer automated page number. Now we enter in right aligned in the footer automated page number. Click on insert, go to footer, select blank 3 columns, remove left align, remove middle align, and enter in right aligned automated page number. Click on page number, current position, select plan 1, then close the footer. Make sure that the header and footer are aligned to the right margin of the page. No other text placeholder are included in the header or footer area. Header and footer are displayed on all pages. Now check the file. All information are in correct way. These all modification are in correct way. Now come on question 3. Select the subheading educational facility and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending or educational or additional privileges. Now we find the paragraph. Now we take Control plus F and enter here or additional privileges. Here is a paragraph ending. Then close this and select up to educational facilities. Here is educational facilities. Check the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter spacing between them. Now we click on layout, click on columns, more columns, select 2 columns and spacing 1 centimeter, spacing up to 1 centimeter. Here is equal width, click OK. Now come on question 4. The TAC subhead paragraph style have already been created and applied to the 4 subheading. Modify the TAC subhead style so only the following formatting is applied. Style name TAC subhead, font style serif, font size 16, aligned center, enhancement bold and italic. Now look, these are selected portion, TAC subhead style, modify. This is our TAC subhead style. Font should be serif. Font should be serif. Font size should be 16. Bold. Italic. Bold is applied. Italic. Remove underlines. Single line spacing. Spacing before 0. Spacing after 3. Now come on, click on format. Go to say paragraph. Line spacing single, before is 0, after is 12. Do this 3. Take the screenshot evidence to show you have modified TAC subhead style and the setting applied. Now we take the screenshot for evidence. Then apply. OK. Come on evidence file. This is our step 4 evidence. Now come on question 5. Sort the bulleted list from book to travel into alphabetical order. Now we sort the bullets into alphabetical order. Select the bullets. Here is sort option. This is in ascending order. Give OK. Now come on question 6. Format the list so that its bullets are indented 1.5 centimeter margin with left margin. Now we give a right click, click on paragraph. Here is left. Now we give 1.5. Then give OK. Import the image email.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning the college has a limited fund. Now we import a image in the beginning of the paragraph college has a limited fund. Here is a college has a limited fund. You click on insert, go to picture, this device. Here is email.jpg image, click on insert, select and click on insert. Format the image so that the text verbs around in the image it appear in the paragraphs starting the college as a limited fund aligned to the right of the column and the bottom of the text in the paragraph. Now we adjust this image verb text, select square. Now we adjust in the bottom of this paragraph. Just adjust. When clicked it open an image editor ready to send a email. Email is tac@cambridge.org with the subject line Tower Bursary. Now we open a file, right click, link, email address, enter here email and subject is Tower Bursary. Tower Bursary. Tower Bursary. Now place in your evidence document a screenshot to show the link from the image, the email address and the subject. Now we take a screenshot of this modification. Take a screenshot in this way. Give OK. Open a evidence file. This is our 8 step 8 evidence. Locate the table in the document. Delete the entire column and contents with the heading price per week. Now we delete the column content with the content column. Select the column price per week. Right click, delete column. Now come on question 10. Format the first row of the table so that it becomes in a single cell with the content center aligned over the three columns. Now select the first column, right click, merge cell. It has a light gray 20 to 40% background fill. Now we click on home, color, light gray up to 40 to 25%. Now come on question 11. Format the table so that all text in image row displayed in one column, one line. The table border and all data fit within the column width. Now we select a table, right click, right click, click on autofill, autofill content. Now come on question 12. Now come on question 12. Make sure that the list and table are not split over columns or pages. There are no window or orphans. There are no blank pages. The original style are maintained except the TAC subhead style changed in step 4. Spacing is consistent between all items. Now we check our document. There is no any blank page, so this is our required document. Now save this document and print it.